Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution.
Whether your repair is simple or complex, you'll be more successful if you break the procedure down into steps, making it more manageable. I'll take you through this part replacement repair one step at a time. To replace the internal drain hose assembly on your GE washer, you will need pliers and a drill driver with a 1/4-inch bit. Before you begin the procedure, shut off the water supply. Unplug the power to the appliance. Remove the drain line from the wall. Remove the hot and cold water supply lines from the inlet valves. Set a drain pan or towel underneath the hose. Pinch the clamp and pull the hose from the washer. Unthread the screw on the plate closest to the drain opening. Press the plastic tab and slide the drain outlet up and push in. Tip the washer back and prop it up using a wooden block or chair. Slide down the clamp securing the hose to the drain pump. Slide the hose off the drain pump and remove the assembly from the appliance. Remove the clamp. To install the new internal drain hose assembly, slide the clamp over the hose. Connect the hose to the drain pump, then slide the clamp to secure it. Line the drain pump outlet up to the metal plate, then slide it in and down to snap into place. Set the washer upright. Rethread the screw. While pinching the clamp, slide the hose over the outlet and release it. Insert the drain hose back into the wall drain. Reattach the hot and cold water supply lines. Turn on the water supply. Plug in the power. And your washer should be ready for use.